Welcome to another fishing video, guys. So I just finished tying up my own bottom angling rig because I haven't been able to fish for the last couple of days due to there has been a storm where I live. But the storm is over and the plan is to fish tonight with this self-made rig. On the, how can I say, top we got a shrimp thingy, or a squid I think it is. And then we got a weight, I think this is 130 grams. And then I added this plastic straw thingy to basically minimize the risk of tangling because it keeps the line straight. And then a long line to the bottom, we got another hook with some beads. Either this would be a great success or a failure. Let's see how it goes.
Let's
go! Now the aftermath of the storm is really showing. It's hardly not possible to drive on this road anymore. It's not a good road before the storm, but now it's even worse and there's trash everywhere. I have to drive really slowly, it's so bumpy. A big shout out to my friend Ash. The awesome footage you just seen on the ocean was from his YouTube channel. I'll leave a link to the description for him. I noticed that it was really chilly tonight, and sure it is -1 degree, which is cold, but normally I don't freeze that much because I'm really good with taking too much clothes on. But I noticed that I forgot my sweater underneath it, so it's pretty cold. Luckily I got those hand warmer things that you shake and after a while they start to generate heat. Hopefully this will be enough tonight. So the movement you're seeing is not fish, it's the current. It's crazy strong. You can see that my friend Dennis is arriving now. Tjena Dennis! He always brings coffee with him. I hope you have coffee with him tonight. Guys, it wasn't recorded. My rod almost tipped over. I got a fish on. I hope I'm not stuck. Oh, it's definitely a fish. It feels like Dennis vill it av. Just gonna remove the bell. Thank you. Not sure what we have. Either I'm stuck or I got a monster on, but I don't feel fighting anymore. I mean, I can drag it. I can feel it. Maybe it's a bunch of seaweed. I don't think it's a fish, but it was definitely fighting and it's taking line. So what the hell is it? My only guess so far is that it's a ton of seaweed, because I have been managing to reel in. It's really strange. It's getting closer. I feel that maybe my main line can handle up to 20 kilos and the bottom angling lure I tied can handle up to 12 kilos. So if something will break, that will break. I start to see one of the hooks. Jesus. It's like a rock or something. Oh my god, it's heavy. It is really heavy. Kids, don't try this at home. I think I lost a bunch of the seaweed that was stuck because it doesn't feel so heavy anymore. Oh, it's a bunch of hooks and lines, I think. Check it out, guys. Can't believe that my line held. First, let's release my lure. There, this is where it got stuck. My lure is free. Let's see what we can salvage from this. Oh, look at all the roe. I think this is from the herring spawning. Might be wrong, but it's definitely some kind of fish egg.
Maybe you can get back your rig you lost last time.
Exactly. Last time we were out fishing, I lost my rig at the exact same spot. Maybe it is this one. These the weights, they are useful. Definitely keep those. Thank you. Thinking of maybe using this as lure. It's possible. This one is quite big, so slimy. I mean, as bait. I'll add it, you never know. Maybe it has some scent, because the shrimp doesn't seem to do anything tonight. Famous coffee break by Dennis. If you have seen my videos before, you know that usually this trick makes the fish bite. Let's hope it works tonight. Tackar. This seagull is famous here. He only has one leg, but he's really mean. He always fights other seagulls and steals fish from the fishermen. He's close to us. He wants either our coffee or our shrimp. Don't feel sorry for him, he's a badass. Then he's just had a big bite. Fish on! See, the coffee worked, but not for me.
Not a keeper, but decent size.
Decent size, not a keeper, but we're not targeting cod because it's not cod season. And it's a beautiful fish. Perfectly hooked, so let's... Oh, come here, buddy. It's so slippery. Let's release him safely. Say hi to the camera. The cod wants you to smash the like button. Oh, there he goes. Fish on! I think at least. It's a fish on. No,
Okay, go.
No, he's still on. He was just swimming towards me. We got another cod! Also in great condition. And perfectly hooked. Let's see. Relax, buddy. That was fun, but go. Well, you know what? Don't bring me your mama, but bring me some flatfishes. Straight to the bottom. It was fun to catch a fish on a rig that you built yourself, but I got some improvement ideas on how to make it better. Great success! You know our one-legged seagull before? Let's be nice to him. Let's give him some leftover shrimps. There's another piece. Come on, take it! Or maybe he took both of them. Dennis got a fish on. The line has tangled in the bell, so we gotta hurry and remove it, because we think he have a tuna on. We'll take a commercial break and we'll be back soon. Oh hi! Didn't see you there. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the like button to support the guys. Back to you guys. Awesome.
I think it's still on. Yes?
It's still on. Awesome.
Amazed. It is swimming
Towards you, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because it's... Oh no.
Yeah, a cod.
So,
I think he's perfectly hooked as well. Come here, buddy. Maybe it's the same fish again. Goodbye. Guys, it's late. We had so much fun tonight. I'm really happy that my self-made bottom angling rig worked. But before we end it, I see that our one-legged friend is still here. So I'm gonna give him the rest of the bait. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one.